Good morning. Hey, it's been a while since we visited our water drops, and I don't know if you've had a chance at home, but I thought that was really fun to make the water drops scoot around on the wax paper. And so I have some water here, but then I was thinking, water's not the only liquid. Do other liquids make drops like water? Can I scoot them around like I can with water drops? Can I mix them together like I can with water drops? So I have some other liquids here. I think you know what this one is. Honey, very thick, a lot thicker than water. This one's vinegar, sour like pickles. This one is dish detergent. It's kind of thick, but it's clear. My kind is clear like water. Sometimes you can get them in different colors at the store. I don't know if you know about this one. This one is olive oil. So I thought I would get another piece of wax paper and put it down and make some drops. Now, I have my straws here somewhere. Straws, where are you? Oh! Straws delivered. Great. But since I have these big different kinds of bottles and stuff, I thought I would put some in each of these cups. So for honey, I'm going to write honey. This way I'll know what's in each of my cups. Honey. Vinegar. I'm putting a little V on the back so I know what's in there too when I'm looking at this side of the cup. Yep. Dish. Oh, teamwork letters. Dish detergent. Detergent. Oh, that's a long word. Detergent. And oil. So I'm going to pour a little bit in each cup there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to need 5 straws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get a little bit in each one of my cups. Wow, that is very thick. I'm going to set that down there. This looks kind of like water with a little bit of color in it. So that'll be interesting to see how that behaves, if it behaves just like water. I'm going to do this one. Kind of thick. We'll find out. And olive oil. Glug, glug, glug. Okay. And I have my water. So my 5 things. And remember I put a piece of white paper underneath so I could see the shape of the water drops better. So I think I'm going to start with water. Easy peasy, because I've done that before. And this time I didn't put any color in. I can do a little close-up here with my other camera. Bloop. Bloop. Remember we said we could do different sizes of drops depending on how far we stick our straw into the... They're so cool looking. And here's my honey. This is going to be interesting because it is so thick. I don't know if you can see. And it's going to come here. next to, there it is. There's the honey. All right, let's make 5 blobs of honey just like we did 5 of the water. 2. And it's not as easy to make because it is so thick. And it has like a little trail there. That's better. Okay. And if you can see, then it has little strings that come out. So it's not all just one little thing, but it does make the same shape as the water drops. All right, that's my honey. Next is my vinegar. And my guess is that it's going to be just like the water. Oh, and look, it's even very clear like the water. Yeah, and that one had a little baby drop too. Okay. Now this one is the dish detergent. Let's try that. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's kind of like the honey in that it has little strings coming off of it. You know what? Maybe I can just blob it from the squeeze bottle. 1, 2. This is interesting. It comes out starting like the water. I don't know if you can see here. But then it flattens out, so it doesn't raise up like the water. So if I do this by the side, you can see there's water, and it's like a little button. Honey, vinegar, but take a look at my dish detergent. It's flattened out. Cool. Okay, the last one is my olive oil. And let's see what that does. Okay, olive oil. Put it in my dropper. Okay. Kind of like the water, but it does seem to be a little flatter. Well, that one's not bad. Let's try another one. Such a pretty color. All right, so I'm going to hold this to the side, and you can see that some of them make those real nice domes shapes, and some of them flatten. That's the dish detergent. That one flattens out, and even the olive oil flattens out a little. Now we want to see if we can move them around like we did the water. Okay, so here's our water droplet. Cool, that's so fun. Here is the honey, and we'll try and move that around. Doesn't want to move, but it will spread. Okay, very interesting. Okay, that was our honey. Here's our vinegar. It looks almost exactly like the water, but, oh, here we go. Now we're getting it to move around. There we go. All right. So that does act a lot like the water acts. Okay, dish detergent. Now this one was very weird because look, you can hardly see the spots at all. And let's see if we can get it to move. No. It doesn't really want to move like our water and our vinegar. The last one is the olive oil. And we got the nice little buttons. So we do have a little button here, but we can't really get them to move around like we can the water. So this is interesting. Things that are liquids, different liquids behave differently. The last thing I want to check is, remember how we mixed two different colors together and they came together? I wanted to see if I mix these two different kinds of liquids together, how they react. What I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to add a drop of one kind to a drop of the other. So let me get all my choices up here. And the first thing I think I'm going to do is I'm going to add water to the honey. And here we are in the close-up in slow motion. The water's coming out of the tube, and you can see that the water is still separate, but on top of the honey droplet. Can you see that the water stays separate from the honey? It just kind of went right on top, but it still is a nice rounded shape like my water drop. I'm a little curious about the dish detergent because we use the dish detergent to get our dishes clean. And they say, like on the commercials on television, that the dish detergents will break down the grease and things like that. And oil is a kind of grease. So what I'm going to do, and I'll move these things out of the way, is I want to add dish detergent to the oil. And I want to keep this in slow-mo so that I can capture what's happened. That's our olive oil right there. Well, do you see there's a blob right in the middle of the olive oil? Nothing seems to be happening. And it kind of just sits there in the middle and doesn't really do anything. I wonder how that gets our dishes clean. All right, the other thing I want to try is salad dressing is oil and vinegar. So this is our vinegar, and we're going to add the oil to it, okay? Right here. So here we are. I've shone the flashlight on so we can see better what's happening. There's a tiny drop of olive oil at the bottom of the straw. We're in slow motion now. And you can see I'm trying to get the droplet off the straw and it doesn't want to come, but and look how the water droplet bobs around while I try and get the thingy off of there. And here we go. Here it comes. Nope. One more try. One more try. Come on, you could do it. And here it comes. All right. But the olive oil stays, even though it's part of the water droplet, it stays separate from it. And that's pretty cool. And that's why you have to shake your salad dressing to mix your oil and your vinegar together. That looks so cool. And you know, a minute ago I said water, but I meant vinegar. I think you probably have some liquids at your house. Make sure you...
Junie.
Make sure you ask your folks which ones you can use to make a experiment with. What I liked seeing is that this water drop shape was not the same for all liquids. The honey made the shape, the water made the shape, the vinegar made the shape. Dish detergent did not make that rounded shape at all. It just spread out. The olive oil kind of made a flattish shape. So see what you can find and see what happens when you mix your different liquids together. And don't forget to clean up after yourself. Okay, that's what I'm going to do right now. All right, well, happy experimenting. And if you want to show me what you did, I'll take a look and I'll put it on the blog. All right, this was very interesting. Very interesting. All right, see you later.